Alright, another video in the saga. Got her up close to operating temp. Pull the choke all the way out. Doesn't help. Maybe up there. Drop her in. So as far as the carbs here, I balanced them earlier, not today, but last weekend. Hasn't really run it since. And they're going up at the same rate, dash spots are. See, kinda. I mean, from what I see, at the same amount of gas visually is I changed this filter here on the fuel pump. Of course, this one's brand new because I wanted to see. This is brand new. This is brand new. The gaskets on the floats are new for the cap. I don't know if this might be the restriction. I mean, here, I just replaced this because it was missing. I thought it might be an issue. But this one, if you hold it down, it'll kill it. And or if you hold down too long, it'll shoot gas right at it. I'm not sure. Well, there it is again. So, and I cleaned all these when I did, when I pulled these carbs to kind of polish them, put in the super dry kit. I pulled in the intake and the exhaust, replaced all these gaskets including this one. Not that this gasket can't go bad because it's new, but it's brand new. Kind of at a loss. But I always appreciate you guys helping me out. Thank you.